Question number 4. An aeroplane is moving at a constant speed in a straight angle at an angle theta to the horizontal. Okay. 4 forces act on the aeroplane: thrust, weight, W, L and R. Okay. T is here, L is here, W is here, R is here. Okay. All the forces vectors have been shown over here. And then what has been asked? Which two equations must be correct? Which of them should be correct? So he is getting in terms of L, T, R, W, theta. Okay. So what we'll do is, let us take this W, draw a line here. When I draw this line here, if this angle is theta, this angle should also be theta. If you ask me how, simple trigonometric relationship. Okay, it's nothing but an inclined plane. This is your angle theta, and this is your W here, right? If this is 90, this should be 90 minus theta. And then this is the point. This is the point which we are talking about. And here, this is your L. This is your L, and this is nothing but a line that I have drawn here. If this is 90 minus theta, then this should be theta here, right? If this is 90 minus theta, this should be theta here. So this whole thing becomes 90 over here, right? So this whole thing becomes 90 over here. Okay, so if this is theta, then if this is W, then along this direction, this should be W cos theta, and along this direction, so this should be W cos theta, and this should be W sin theta, and this is T. Now everything is done. Now let us solve this. So now at this point, you can say L is equal to W cos theta, and then this T, forward force T is equal to this R plus W sin theta. Now which is correct here? T is equal to R plus W sin theta is here, and so these two are incorrect. And then L equal to W cos theta, it's here. Answer is A itself. Okay.